Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about nitrogen cycle. We will see how atmospheric nitrogen is taken by the plants and animals with the help of bacteria. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now before we learn something about nitrogen cycle, first let's get to know about the nitrogen gas. So nitrogen gas is almost chemically inactive and have nothing to do with any sort of chemical actions in the atmosphere. This gas does not combine or mix with any other gas. That's why it is also called neutral substance. Now if we look at its quantity, then it has maximum quantity in the atmosphere. It is about 78.08%. This gas is found beyond a height of 100 kilometers in the atmosphere, but its more concentration is below 50 kilometers of height from the sea level. This gas is significant for the growth and reproduction in plants and animals. Okay, now it's time to learn about the nitrogen cycle. So first you need to understand that the atmospheric nitrogen, which is about 78.08%, cannot be taken directly by the plants and animals. It needs to get converted into nitrogenous compounds to be taken by the plants and animals. For this, nitrogen gas goes in the roots of leguminous plants. Beans, soybean, peas, peanuts, pulses, lentils, etc. are some examples of leguminous plants. Now in the root nodules of leguminous plants, a bacteria is found which is called rhizobium bacteria. Now rhizobium bacteria converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Now there is another bacteria found in the soil which is called nitrifying bacteria. It converts ammonia into nitrates and releases it into the soil. This process is called nitrogen fixation. Sometimes the atmospheric nitrogen can directly be converted into nitrates without the help of any bacteria through lightning strikes. Now after this whole process, the nitrates is taken by the plants from the soil to make proteins. Animals eat plants to get protein. Now the dead plants and animal dung or excreta contains nitrogenous wastes. Over time, these wastes decay and releases ammonia gas. Now ammonia gas again goes in the soil and gets converted into nitrates by nitrifying bacteria. Then some amount of nitrates is again taken by the plants and the remaining nitrates get converted into atmospheric nitrogen by denitrifying bacteria. This process is called denitrification. So this whole cycle of atmospheric nitrogen is known as nitrogen cycle. With this we have come to the end of this video. If you found it informative, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.